Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. At 9:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Expected rainfall rate is 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Daphne, Fairhope, Spanish Fort, Loxley, Silver Hill, Bell Forest, Malgus, Montrose, Bridgehead, and Battlesworth. Use extreme caution during the morning commute and avoid flooded roadways, especially along and near Interstate 10 and Spanish Fort and Daphne. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama,